Welcome to the Department of Botany at SM Joshi College, Hadapsar, Pune. Our department provides courses in undergraduate FY, SY, TY, BSc Botany. The curriculum is based on the Savitribai Phule Pune University syllabus. The every practical and theory session conducted in discipline with iCard and apron. Dr. Vilas Kamble, head of the department, ensures the discipline. Along with the curriculum completion, our faculty provides career guidance to the student to interdisciplinary approach in their future studies. The hands-on training provided to the students for their better understanding of the subject, and expert teachers guided them during their studies. Our student strength increases year by year, which can be highlighted in photograph. Our faculty effectively uses ICT tool for better understanding of the curriculum. Along with the ICT tool, advanced interactive panels are used for teaching to the student completion of syllabus. Some subjects are offered online way to the students by the YouTube channels. Our department consists of teaching aids which are highlighted in this photograph, such as charts and various classwork materials which are based upon the different classes of plant kingdom, the pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm respectively. So these classwork materials are really helpful, which are well preserved and well labeled by ISO certification. As well as various laboratory tools, equipments are available for their practical sessions and research purpose. The research of department has been at the mark by which a department have achieved a various awards as well as publication in reputed journals. Here the slide is highlighted with availability of equipment, chemicals and glasswares. These are the publications and chapter in books as well as book published. Along with the laboratory, the botany department consists there a separate medicinal plant garden. The plants are labeled with the botanical name and their uses are highlighted. These plants are collected from diverse locations in Maharashtra and preserved in botanical garden. As well as with the medicinal plant garden, we have a cactus garden in our polyhouse. The cactus are collected from different localities and preserved in artificial environment for their better growth. These cactus are used not only for curriculum but also for research purposes. Department organizes various activities such as Wildlife Week and conferences. The hands-on training of students taken by the department. Thank you for the watch.